Innovative Techniques LLC provides businesses in Phoenix, Arizona with custom technology solutions. We specialize in technology deployment and maintenance, IT consulting, and implementation of digital transformation strategies. Our team of experts are dedicated to helping businesses create efficient and innovative technology solutions that increase productivity and profitability. We understand the unique needs of businesses in the Phoenix area, and we make sure to provide specialized services tailored to those needs. We are committed to providing the highest quality service, from initial project planning to post-implementation support. Whether you are a startup or an established business, our team can help you create a successful technology solution that meets the demands of the modern business environment. We look forward to helping you create innovative, cost-effective technological solutions to improve your business. Innovative Techniques LLC of Arizona, the premier IT consulting business in Phoenix, Arizona. We provide comprehensive services to small and mid-size businesses in the area, ranging from network support to IT project management. Our team consists of highly skilled and experienced IT professionals, from certified network engineers and programmers to computer technicians and software developers. We are dedicated to delivering the highest level of customer service and technical support to all of our clients. At Innovative Techniques LLC of Arizona, we believe in providing our customers with the most advanced and up-to-date IT solutions. We understand that no two businesses have the same needs, so that's why we customize our services to meet the unique requirements of each individual client. We also strive to keep our prices competitive and our services cost-effective. Whether your business needs a complete overhaul of their IT infrastructure or just a few tweaks to their existing system, we're here to help. Contact us today to learn more about how we can help your business succeed.